Was it the absence of my father? Was it from all of the abuse? Was it from not trying harder that kept me in solitude? Was it the way that I was born and just my characteristics? Was it everyone else around me, or was I just a lone statistic? Could it have been my carelessness in not putting myself first? Was it my faith of being agnostic, or not understanding my worth? Drawn to certain entities, no longer knew how to be me. I can't say now that I didn't know. That was just my lesson.